Okay, look at your module. So our first topic is all about the percentile. Let us first define what is percentile. It is the values which divide the frequency distribution into 100 equal parts, such as P1, P2 up to P99. When it comes to percentile or the first percentile or P1, it means it is the 1% of the given data that falls below the score corresponding to P1. While we are talking to P50 or the 50th percentile, it is same as the median or the half of the given data. So today, there are two groups of data that we are going to solve when it comes to percentile. The first is the ungrouped data. Ang ungrouped data kasi, yun yung mga data na hindi naka-table, na given lang. Example number 1. Find the 20th percentile or the P20th of the following random scores of 18 students. So, ilang students? 18. So, tayo ay merong 18 data. Those are 35, 30, 39, 40, 31, 29, 40, 28, 38, 30, 24, 25, 31, 27, 30, 24, 27, and 28. So the first step in finding the percentile is arrange the scores from lowest to the highest. In the given scores of the 18 students, there are scores which are 24. There are two 24s, 25, two 27s, two 28, 29, three 30s, two 31, 35, 38, 39, and two 40s. After we arrange the data from lowest to highest, we are going to use the formula in finding the percentile. So the formula in finding the percentile is K or P equals K times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 100. Bakit siya sa 100 i-divide? Kasi percentile, it is from the word percent. Kapag percent, diba, mayroon tayong 100%. So, sa 100 siya, i-divide. That is the formula in finding the position of P28 in the arranged data. So, the third step is substituting the values. We substitute. Yung K natin dyan, which is 28, kung ano yung hinahanap na percentile sa given problem, 'di ba? Sabi kanina, ang hahanapin nating percentile is 28 or P28. So ang K natin is 28. And N, yun yung given data kung ilan yung scores. 'Di ba? 18 students, bibilangan mo yung in-arrange mo the data kung ilan, 18 yun. So ang value ng N natin is 18. So dito, substitute lang natin dito sa value. So P28 equals K times the quantity of n plus 1 all over 100. So, P28 equals, ano yung K natin? 28 yon. 28 times the quantity of, ilan yung data? 18 plus 1, automatic yung 1, all over 100. So, 28 times, using the PEMDAS rule, we're going to solve first what's inside the parentheses. So, 18 plus 1 is 19 times 28, divided by 100. So, 28 times 19 is 532 all over 100. So, answer is 532 divided by 100 is 5.32. So, we are going to round up the whole number. So, 5.32, ano after ng decimal point is 3. Pero kung 5 pataas siya, madadagdagan ng 1 yung 5. Kaso, 5, below 5, 4 pababa. So, ito ay 3. So, wala tayong madadagdag. Mariremain na 5. So, 5. Nakuha natin yung sagot is 5. Yung nakuhang 5 ay hindi pa final answer. Tingnan mo yung in-arrange natin na values, na scores from highest to lowest. Ito yon. And nasa step 1. So, pang 5, alin dyan yung score na pang 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 27. The value of P28 is 27. Kung ano yung panglima na nakuha mong value, dun mo bibilangan sa arranged data. So, ang sagot is 27. Our example number 2 is, a group of 20 basketball players has heights in centimeters as follows. So, given natin yung data na hindi magkakasunod. So, what is the 65th percentile or the 65% of the given data? So, first, i-arrange natin yung ating mga given data from lowest to highest. After we arrange that, we use the formula again in finding the percentile. So, dapat yung formula in finding the percentile is sa ulado nyo. Madali lang naman. P equals P sub K equals K times N plus 1 all over 100. So, substitute again the formula. Since we're going to find the 65th percentile of the given data, therefore the value of K is 65. And N, ang sabi doon sa ating given is 20 basketball players. Therefore, meron tayong 20 data. That's the value of Rn. So, substitute the value. P sub 28 equals the quantity K times the quantity of N plus 1 all over 100. Ano yung K natin? 65. Oh, ito ay 65 dapat. 65 to ha. 65 dapat yan. Sorry. Typo error. Dapat ito ay 65. So, P65 times is equal to 65 times the quantity of 20 plus 1 all over 100. So, yun nasa loob muna ng parenthesis. 20 plus 1 is 21 times 65 all over 100. So, 65 times 21 is 1,365 all over 100 or 1,365 divided by 100 is 13.65. Round up natin yung 13.65. Magiging siyang 14 kasi yung kasunod ng decimal point is 6. Mas mataas siya sa 5 pataas, sa add tayo ng 1. So, 14. Hindi pa yung 14 ang ating sagot ha. Hindi pa yun ang final answer. Titingnan natin dito sa mga arranged data. Dito. Sa kanila. Yan. Dyan. Dito. Dito lang. Yan. Dyan sa arranged data na yan ang pang 14. Sa count lang tayo. Alin yung pang 14? Simula dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, po yung pang number 14 is 172. Anong value ng ating P65 or the 65th percentile is 172. Ito. Pagkakaroon tayo ng conclusion in the arranged data, the 14th score o pang 14th score is 172. Therefore, P65 is 172.